So today I'm going to be addressing the content standard RI 3.6. So in this standard, students need to be able to distinguish their own point of view from the author's point of view. So what is point of view or perspective? So in this video, I'm going to dive into what point of view and perspective is. So point of view or perspective tells us how the author feels about a topic. This could be their opinion or beliefs surrounding a certain topic. Can a reader have their own point of view or perspective? Absolutely yes. As readers, we can have our own point of view or perspective. A reader can have the same point of view or a different point of view, or we may be somewhere in the middle. We may agree with what the author says, we may disagree, or we may be somewhere in the middle. So for example, I'm going to show you this optical illusion. So when you look at this optical illusion, you can see a duck or you can see a rabbit. So let's say the author believes this is a rabbit, but I think it looks like a duck. That means I have a different point of view than the author because I believe it is a duck and the author believes it's a rabbit. So let's do some more examples. So when you look at this statement, the author says basketball is the best sport. So the author's point of view is that basketball is the best sport. But when I read that, I disagreed with the author. My point of view as a reader is that running is the best sport. Let's look at another example. Another example, all right, recycling is an unnecessary practice. So the author believes recycling is unnecessary. My point of view is different. I believe that recycling is very important because it's good for the environment. So my point of view is different from the author's. So let's do one more example. So the last example says, the author believes that going to school for 7 hours is not enough time and that students need to go to school for 10 hours. So that's the author's point of view. My point of view is that school for 7 hours is long enough. So I had a different point of view than the author. In conclusion, point of view or perspective tells us how the author feels about a topic. We as readers can have the same point of view or a different point of view than the author. We may agree or we may disagree with the author, or we may be somewhere in the middle. Thank you so much for learning with me about point of view today.